Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a video of my husband does my makeup. So let's get started.
And what?
So you're supposed to start primer. So you're gonna take the primer and prime my face.
You have a car?
You might have a car.
No, car, women know them prime out and stuff like.
So you start with the primer. Go ahead.
I'm sorry for you. Stop laughing. I'm putting in your mouth. Like your mouth.
Oh my god, babes.
What? It's too much?
So rub it into my face like you're rubbing.
No,
my
I
face.
say if it's too much. Stop laughing.
Oh my lord. Oh.
Okay. Not too much. Go open your nose.
Oh my.
Hello, close your
I'm
mouth.
so
Close your
cold.
mouth. On your chin too. Hello. Ready for your face?
Your hand's cold.
Tell me if you stop then.
Oh my goodness.
Feel nice. I fall asleep.
Okay. So you finished priming now?
Hold on. Are you need to run me?
Oh my goodness.
Alright.
Okay.
That's good.
Alright. So the priming's done. Move on to the next one. So now you're gonna do the eyebrows. So you show them that you're using an eyebrow pencil, which is in dark brown. Okay. So now you're gonna go.
Blind you?
Blind who?
Yeah. Which eye first?
It doesn't matter. And it's not the eyes, the eyebrow. Go ahead.
Hello. So me ask you which eye first? Okay, now I could Pamela. Left one. Okay, so put.
You better try not make me look
Hello.
like no masquerade.
Hello. Hello, me. Sorry for you.
And you're doing an everyday simple makeup look. This is not like how you sit and draw me on a piece of paper.
Oh, jeez, I'm paid over this. Hello, you didn't make me laugh, so. So if you can't walk a road.
If we can't work on it, not your fault.
Let me do.
You're gonna make your wife look like a masquerade. It's not clown makeup you're doing. You're supposed to make it nice and, you know, like something we can wear every day.
Alright, I'm making too much noise now. You had to disturb me.
Oh, so long you take video, bro?
Hello. Hello, man. Oh, jeez. Oi.
How nervous and nervous?
You want it bright or you want it?
What do you mean bright?
Bright as in bright.
No, what do you mean bright? How you mean I want my eyebrows bright? I don't want it too dark.
So what you want me to do? You give me this to use time, eh? Come.
Okay, so what is that you're using now? A concealer to shape up the eyebrows and make them look more nice?
I'll try something else. I'm going to try a thing. Oh gosh. No, it's not really like a handicap. Stop laugh. Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
hello, stop laughing. If you didn't, if you, alright, continue laugh. If you dip it again,
Yeah, you say you're supposed to do the top. You haven't done the top yet.
me ask if you dip it. It like it finish, man.
Well, it looks like you have to go buy me a new one. Yeah, I'm running out of my concealer.
So you should not tell me say it finish.
You gonna buy me one?
Yeah, what I buy one is?
Mm-hmm.
What the other ones?
Oh, to buy allowance box side. Whenever no speak it allowance.
No man, this finish, babes.
Okay. I get you good.
No, so I'm not getting good. No, sir, I'm not saying you usually look. Come, let's stop laugh. That's something I do right.
It's something not doing right, it's your fault.
We'll never come back over it again.
Yeah. Huh.
Hmm?
Okay, so now you go on to your foundation.
Yeah, stress me out.
So I'll show you the foundation that you're gonna use. So that's the foundation by NYX Cosmetics.
No, I'm for it now. I see it every day. I never see every day in the babes.
Yeah, make sure you drop them big enough. You need enough to cover my face.
So this not enough? They run.
Well, if it's not enough, then you have to use more. Just
Yeah, so
before
better
you
me
seal it. So then you go use your
use
face
this.
brush and go. So blend that baby in. Wait a minute. And make sure you get under here, the chin area.
You never tell me what to do.
Wait a minute, for the what to
Lock
do.
your mouth.
You know how
shut,
to you.
Shut your mouth.
Yeah, excuse you. Wait a minute, shut me up. You know if the you're wearing the foundation on my lips. You know you need to make sure that it blends in. Some people all down here they put makeup.
Shut your eye.
Right? They put it down there because you have to make sure the makeup it would look off when you see people with makeup
Alright, babes. Alright.
here and there.
Jesus.
Oh, I thought you.
Shut up. Chum. Are you now close your eye then?
And when you're doing the makeup, you're not supposed to see whatever blemishes on my face. You're supposed to make sure those areas are well covered.
Hello.
I'm just telling you.
Are you what do it to me?
You better make sure
Hello.
the mashi have to go buy back.
No, stop it, chum. Right now, you disturb me, I can't do me. Yeah, chum.
Usually, you're supposed to dab.
Hello.
Dab helps it stay. And you're supposed to make sure you get underneath my eyes.
Yeah, boy. You get talking bad. Anyhow, you come out and say it, come on. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Right. What did you say? Shut your eye.
Boy, I want to say what this doesn't look like. What type of mascara you on me now?
You want to see it, Chum? Let me stop now?
No, you have to finish it. How am I supposed to see it and you not finish it?
That's the best you ever look.
Backside. So what are you trying to say? When I do my makeup, I don't look that good?
Maybe we're going to take over your job.
Yeah, huh? When you can do it nice and professional, yeah, you can take it over. Perfect. Oh.
No time for waste.
Excuse you. You know, they're disgusting.
I look too bad.
Okay, are underneath my eyes them covered? Are they look okay?
No, wait. I'm not ready to blind you. Hold up, shut
What's
your
that?
eye.
What do you say when you're
Shut
not
your
ready to
eye.
buy me yet? Eh? You know, say disgusting. You talk about you're not ready for blind me yet.
Come at me a patch car. Can't believe you. Where you make me the Stop laughing.
Oh my goodness. Don't look like you wipe off your makeup off of your face.
All of, yeah. Stop laughing now. Listen to me.
What are you doing?
You're the queen of my eye. Yeah.
Better?
Much better. Shut it now.
My eyes is closed.
No, a while ago I could see your eye. Well,
You good?
can't can't come no better way.
So the next way you're gonna go use is the setting powder. So you can show them what the setting powder look like.
I'm tired.
Show them what the setting powder. You ever tired? Okay, now open it and use it.
You even know you open.
There you go.
You don't look too bad.
That's what you said. When me done, I would look in the mirror and see what I look like.
Don't say nothing. You don't make it good. Damn. Hello. Let me see it again. You know what? You put on too much for me. Ready, right?
Go on, man. You're here, do your thing.
Turn to the camera, make them can see you. You're ugly.
Oh. Oh my god. You're disgusting.
So now me I do it.
So if you do it and me ugly, something wrong. Or you miss me Cupid bow.
What you got, so? Huh?
Oh, you miss me Cupid bow.
What you got, so?
Right here. That's what you call your Cupid.
Let me see. That's something you want in your mouth. Come, what you want?
Hello, Cupid.
Yes.
Okay.
But don't leave you alone now. Go shut up.
My lips were closed.
Go down. Thanks. Alright.
Okay.
Cheese. It's so
Jeez.
difficult.
Okay, so now you're doing an eyeshadow and show them the palette that you're using. And that's the palette, okay? So go in with the shade what you want to use.
Which one you want?
No, you pick the shade. I know what I want. You're doing the makeup.
If you up to me, you know,
Me no say if you up to you, me not have on no makeup.
pick you one I want.
Yes. And then you have the brush.
I know the one you always use.
Well, of course.
This one almost finished, right? So obviously that one you love.
Okay. So,
Alright. Don't tell me. Ah, boy.
okay, let me close the side.
And the one you want close. Just
not
shut
blending.
your eye.
It's shut.
Stop peep on me, just shut your eye.
Shut both of them.
If you know come out good, I your fault.
What do you mean it's
Because
my
you
fault?
continue to laugh and wrinkle up your eye and all these things, eh? Put me in the message. Sure. You're just difficult.
I'm not difficult. Hello, stop turning me like a gig.
Quiet. Is it you me not use like one kind of hard, you know?
No, you're right and you're
Let me
using.
see me again. Stop, do that.
Do what?
Yeah, peep and a wrinkle up your eye. You know, if you peep.
Mario, but that's your left hand. So how come you using your left hand and you're right-handed?
I might tell you say awkward with the hand, come, shut your eye.
So that's the eye your hand you use. You use your hand what you use every day. People don't use the hands
I
that
want
they
it a little
don't.
brighter.
You can add the one in the middle. You get it like a more popping.
Shut your eye again. Box, I don't want to bright man.
Oh my god, James!
Oh, you know what the bright? Shit. Stop. You know, so me blind you.
Excuse you?
You don't get blind but on a purpose.
What do you mean you go get blind but on a purpose? Ew.
Yes, you want the bright, I will give you bright. Bright you want, a bright I get. Come man, stop. You don't want to know Thailand, don't you? What you want?
Huh?
Check it, open my eye, see. Okay,
You good?
not nobody. Should I put some underneath the bottom too, but I don't do it.
Mm-hmm. So where are you going with that?
You know,
So next you're gonna what? Do my mascara?
I'm tired.
Oh my gosh, really?
I hard work this now, guys.
Oh yeah. So how do you think women feel? We get up and do it almost
No,
every
no,
day
no,
or every
listen
so
to me.
often. Backside.
This
I don't be that.
come. So yeah, like them all over the place to be.
You trying to blind me now?
Stop, bop yo.
Oh God. Oh Lord. I'm afraid of you. Let me look your eye them.
Open your eye.
No, come afraid
Open
of
your eye. You're
Mario.
not going to do better if you don't open your eye.
I'm afraid of you for
Open
you
your
the
eye and
mascara
stop.
on my eye.
And stop bop your
Oh my God. Oh, it feels so weird.
You tell me to do it.
You try to make sure you're not jamming in my eye.
Stop. Bop up your eye. Stop.
Oh Lord. Oh Mario.
Stop! Me not like what you say, you know. Are you what do it to me? Hold on your eye.
Hold on my eye. Hold. My eye and my eyelash. You.
Please. Hold this. Man. What you mean? Open your eye. Shit. Now look up in the ear.
No,
Just
look up?
Just open my eye now, man.
Oh, and look at you. Okay, go.
Jeez, because when you go up far, stop up. I know when you do it, you know, bop like that, you know? You know, trust me, it's alright.
Trust you. Yeah, now just tell me say if you blind me, it's not my fault.
Stop, bop. Chum. You feel like it up blind? No.
Anybody know when they go blind or they can feel when they go blind?
I know it's enough time you get joke in your eye.
Oh my God.
Alright? How much you want for me?
That looks good enough.
No, well, good for me, look good. And you done amazing.
Okay. So you're
You
finished
want to
now?
know bottom too?
If you're doing, yeah, you can put some if you want to put down there. It's up to you.
No,
If you're
geez,
doing it.
Are you afraid already? So what up? Alright, well, let's try something.
Yeah, postiel.
What's wrong?
Oh God.
Come on, I don't tap on this.
Make sure you don't make me look like no raccoon. Mario. You're not laughing, you know.
Shut up, alright, lose me. We need a hand raise, so maybe use your mouth lip. Put me your eye. Let me check in.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. You done? Alright, that's enough. Don't put no more on the bottom, boy. Yeah, I get too close to my eyeballs.
Anyway, now come out good. It's not my fault.
Okay.
Right?
Now you're putting on,
Right.
what is that? A lipstick?
Because, as I
Lip
said,
gloss?
you don't trust me and you have cream to eye too much. Next thing you're gonna
You can't trust anybody when you do
next
makeup
thing
in
you're
every
gonna
day.
joke yourself now and you're gonna say I made it.
So why you didn't use one of the matte ones?
Are you gonna put on here?
Alright, put it on.
Hmm?
Alright, go ahead.
I know what you want, you know what me give you.
Excuse you.
I know you
You
are
should
doing.
have boxed me in my mouth.
Are you telling me do it? Come shut them out. Come and do your teeth then.
What?
Come.
Okay, go.
Tell me when you're ready.
Ready. Go now.
Right now, this video is supposed to long because you know. What teacher? Hold on. Everything I have to finish. Just I put on it right and then I fold on it. Can it up? Stop now! You make me a nice bro. Stop.
Yeah, look so deep into thought.
Hmm?
I said,
Stop, dog. Get it, make me a drift. So if you fold a little, you go by the top, right? Or you want me to put it with them?
put it up there too.
Okay.
You can fold it and you see it.
Hold on. I'm coming somewhere. Over your lip stop.
Wherever my lip stop, where you mean
Hello,
how far my lip
what?
stop? You don't see where it stop?
Look how your mouth move up right now. Is it? Nobody know.
What?
Hello, stop, please. Please, I don't say your lip stop, so I mean, I go down somewhere. Remember, if you go over it, I can't wipe it off.
Go over where?
You go too far down.
Okay, do you want me to...
No. What you do?
You want me to fold my lip like you said?
No, me put it on top. Say, I can't anyway.
I can't find you one.
Come on, whatever. Just... No, I'm coming like professional, so... Everything I do, I try to do it perfect. But yeah, you don't know that already. There we go fast, I would... No, sir. Not a must. Yeah, alright. What your name again?
What you say?
When Chuchu have an lipstick, you see, you look?
Chuchu who? Who's Chuchu?
Goes on. Stop now? See me I get extra lip now, yeah.
So you're making my lips bigger than what they already are? Don't do that.
No, me do
A
it.
nice luscious
Hold
lip.
it. No.
Me you not wipe off your makeup?
No. You talk too much, you make it go too far. Yeah, me not like...
Good?
I like too much brightness, eh?
Okay.
I'm a robot of face.
I know that you use robot of it. You know, you use the brush. And then you brush away.
Alright, hold on.
Brush it away.
I can't brush me. Too much. I'm so natural like this, I know I'm a good son. Yeah. Wow.
No, you want some more, see some.
I know you. Sure. Right now, for the whole week, you can't take all this.
Why?
The best year. Right now, the best year ever do.
Oh my god. So what are you trying to say? When I do my makeup, it doesn't look good?
Right now, this. The shot. What is this? What is
You must really have shot. Okay. So, how long it take if you brush your
Hello,
teeth?
are you a do it or me? Just real me do it. Sure. How we look?
Okay, so now the only thing left is your setting spray. So you try to make sure you shake it up. Oh,
Hello.
what are you laughing for?
You shaking up?
Shake it
far
up.
we stay from your spray.
Okay,
Like
let me
far?
come over here and then you spray it from there. You just go. Tss, tss.
And then it's
Tell me when you're gonna spray it so I close my eyes. Ready?
closing.
Okay, go. Oh god. Mario press!
Well, I'm not ready yet.
It was disgusting.
Alright, come.
So I can look at myself now?
What?
Pass me a mirror.
And the prettiest ever look. Wow.
Wow. What good babes. I thought you said you didn't know how to do makeup. Doesn't look bad at all. Well, the eyebrows, them. You can do a little bit more touch on the eyebrows, them.
You say you don't want it bright.
The lips, them can go.
Hmm?
So look, guys. What do you think? Did he give a good job? If you guys thought he did a good job with the video, give him a thumbs up, like,
Or
subscribe.
thumbs down.
You see your face?
See you later.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.